The aunt of convicted killer Wei Li has broken down as she was grilled about why she harboured the fugitive in China. The former law student evaded capture for 3 years after fleeing Australia just days after his mother's violent death.
Wei Li's aunt shields her face, having just told a court she allowed him into her Chinese home, knowing he'd killed his mother just days earlier in Australia. Dong Mei Li cried on the stand, explaining her then 18-year-old nephew was suicidal and needed family support. The former Prince Alfred College student bashed his mother to death in their Burnside home in 2011 and was found guilty of manslaughter earlier this month. Ms Li, who's the sister of Wei Li's father, said the teen spent months in a room refusing to come out. Under intense questioning, she admitted she knew Wei Li had used a fake identity and false documents to work in China, but he was always planning to return to Australia and did so voluntarily after 3 years.
Was it really his choice to come back to Australia? Prosecutors accused Wei Li's aunt of lying, saying her nephew only returned to Australia because he was arrested by Chinese officials who gave him an ultimatum: be deported or go into immigration detention in China.
Wei Li must think we all came down in the last shower. It beggars belief to suggest after 3 years living under a false identity, he just hadn't got around to returning. Prosecutors became increasingly frustrated with Li's aunt, who dodged questions about what Wei Li had told her about the killing. Through tears, she said, "We talked about it once and there were no more details. This is one of the saddest things that's happened to our family." Wei Li will be sentenced in a month. Kim Robertson, 9 News.